Happy Mardi Gras! We are starting the day off right with our good friends Chef Gerald and Chef Jeremy from Cafe Acadiana. Thanks for coming.
Hey, thank y'all for having us. It's a beautiful day to be out here.
It is beautiful. We're missing the moon pies and beads today, but we've got something.
Right.
We've got something better. Tell us what we're making.
Well, we're doing what we're going to call this right here a Mardi Gras shrimp skewers. You can see we use the colored bell peppers and red onions and all those things. We'll be seasoning those up with our proprietary blackening spice. That's good, yeah, blackening spice right here. We're going to grill them. Jeremy's going to grill them in just a moment. We have our potatoes already kind of parboiled, our rice already made right here. We did a few things ahead of time because of the circumstances.
Yeah.
But what we're going to do will be a Mardi Gras shrimp skewers with pan roasted red potatoes over a chicken rice. Real simple dish, easy to do at home.
It smells amazing so far. So Jeremy, take me through the first steps that you're going to do.
So we got our shrimp skewers here, and we're going to season them with some That's Good Yeah blackening spice. And we're just going to season them on both sides, give them a nice little coating. And then we're going to put them on the grill here.
About how long do you think they should be on the grill for?
Probably a good 4 or 5 minutes. You want your shrimp to get completely white through. You don't want no clear in them. And basically to your peppers and onions here get a little soft and just right for eating.
So other than the preparation, this is a pretty quick dish that will feed a lot of people if you have a lot of folks on and in your family and at home today. We want to talk about this store. You guys, have survived throughout the pandemic. What's it been like for you?
March, April, and May last year we're trying. But since around July, August, the restaurant has really gotten back almost to normal. We have a lot of protocols in place for the safety of our guests. All employees are wearing masks. We're sanitizing tables tables are spread out. We do a lot of catering at the restaurant, and of course that is still not anywhere as close to normal yet. It is what it is. Hopefully we're on the backside of this thing as we're heading to the vaccines and what have you, but it's been a trying year. But we have 16 employees. We've kept everybody working. We've laid nobody off. During the closure period, we kept everybody at 100%, and we just all worked through it together. We survived it, and so far, it's come back to normal.
That's amazing. I'm so excited, and just like you just feel good when you see a small business just like yours survive throughout one of the toughest times in history. If folks want to come eat lunch or dinner with you guys this week, how can they do that?
Well, we're in Silver Hill. We're on the main drag, Highway 104. We're at 16137 Silver Hill Avenue. We're open. We're closed Sunday, Monday. We're open at lunch on Tuesday, and we're open Wednesday through Saturday from 11 a.m. to 8:30 p.m. We run lunch specials every day. At night, we run what we call Tonight Chef Specialties, which are typically about 3 items on our board that are not on the menu, and we change those out a lot. Seafood combinations, steak and shrimp, surf and turf, all kinds of different fun stuff.
Awesome.
A lot of unique items.
All right, so make sure you go visit them this week. Chef Jeremy, when we come back with Joe, what are we doing next?
We're just right now I'm just putting a little butter on here and give them a little bit more flavor. We're going to twist them around a little bit and make sure they're cooking even. And then we're going to come back and do our potatoes. Yeah. And we're going to put them in the skillet and do them right here on the grill.
Oh, I'm so excited. It smells so amazing. This is the perfect meal for Fat Tuesday, so you want to stay tuned right here on Studio 10.
Happy Mardi Gras, everybody. We are back outside cooking with the good folks from Cafe Acadiana. We have Chef Gerald as always, and Gerald, you brought a guest today.
This is our kitchen manager, Chef Jeremy Price. Jeremy is doing the grilling of the skewers that we did in the first segment a while ago. And while you and I are talking, I'm going to start throwing the potatoes together. The recipe is all on the fox10tv.com website.
Absolutely.
We parboiled the potatoes already, and we're going to put the butter right here, and we're going to throw the potatoes in there. We call this pan roasted baby red potatoes. We put a little bit of garlic powder, just a little bit of salt. I'm taking notes,
Chef Gerald. I'm taking notes.
And we're going to put a little bit of parsley right here, and we get that in there. And then we're going to use some of our proprietary, our That's Good Yeah Cajun spice seasoning right here.
Yep.
And we'll sprinkle a little bit of that across the top.
And where can they pick up the That's Good Yes seasoning?
That is at our restaurant, and we are currently redoing our website right now.
Okay.
And about the next 30 days, you will be able to go to thatsgoodyeah.com. That's D-A-T-S.
Yep.
Goodyeah.com, and you will be able to order it online. We have our blackening spice, we have our Cajun seasoning, and we have 3 other items that we just developed and came out with: a fish fry, a shrimp fry, and a seafood boil.
Wow.
And so those 5 items will be available on our website very soon.
Which just goes to show that spelling's not your forte, but good food is.
That's right.
That's right. Chef Jeremy,
That's right.
this looks awesome over here, and it looks like it's got all the Mardi Gras colors.
Yes, sir, it does.
Indeed. That was Jeremy's innovation right here. When you called me to attend the show last week, him and I talked about it. We're going to be doing outside. He said, man, let's do some type of shrimp skewer with the Mardi Gras colors, and bada bing.
Yeah, we just added a little butter here to them.
Sure.
Give them a little bit more flavor.
So any tips when you're doing a shrimp skewer like that in terms of high heat, low heat? What should the folks at home be doing?
It depends on if you're in a hurry or not. I mean, if you're in a hurry, you can do it on a high heat, but constantly flip them.
Yeah.
Most of the time, you can do them on a medium to low heat and slowly flip them. You just want your onions and peppers and whatever you have on your skewers to get to the consistency you want them with the cook time. We got a little bit of sausage on here. It only takes a minute or 2 for your sausage to get done. And of course your shrimp, you just want your shrimp to get white all the way through. Nice little crispy on them, and a little butter, and you're good to go.
All right, that sounds good. What kind of sausage we got on there?
Actually, that is
our sausage.
This is our sausage.
Look at these guys.
As a matter of fact, Farm Fresh Meats, Aaron and them come on your show quite regularly.
Yes.
Farm Fresh Meats actually makes our recipe proprietary for us.
How great is that?
So it's wonderful.
It's our own sausage. It's we're using our red beans and rice and with po' boys, all kinds of things.
Shout out to Aaron and the good folks from Farm Fresh Meats in Robertsdale. If you haven't had a chance to go check them out, please do so. Their sausage is absolutely incredible, and their entire meat selection is wonderful. All right, so we've got everything going here. What are we going to do when we come back for the third and final segment?
Come back. We have our rice right here that we made before we came. We made this morning at the cafe because of the circumstances. We call this a chicken rice. The recipe is on the fox10tv.com website.
Okay.
But we're going to put the rice on the plate. We're going to lay the skewer across with our roasted potatoes right here, which these will take just 3 or 4 more minutes. We have the butter and the seasonings and everything melding together. We'd boil the potatoes, so that won't be long. This will make a really nice little combination on the dish.
This is going to make you say, that's good, yeah. Happy Mardi Gras, happy Fat Tuesday, everybody. We're coming back to finish things up with Cafe Acadiana in just a bit. Happy Mardi Gras. We are finishing things up today with the good folks from Cafe Acadiana. Chef Gerald, you are making a wonderful dish here along with Jeremy. You guys are doing work, man.
Yeah, we're gonna put the rice that we have made right here on the plate right there, and we're gonna lay the shrimp skewers right across that. And
so we're making rice, potatoes, and shrimp skewers here.
That's right. And Jeremy, how long are those shrimp skewers? Just about there?
Yeah, yes, sir. They're about to come off right now.
Let's do it. We'll make these are also just about there. And if you'll
these
let
guys
me,
are going to town, man.
If you'll let me one right across right there, please.
Look how good this looks.
All right, we're getting that done right there. We'll kind of mash that through, and we'll get that, and then we'll just put a few of the potatoes right here on the plate to the side. Go ahead and kill this flame right there, and this would be your finished product. Very simple to eat at the house.
I actually think our guy Mick had a good shot of it right about here. So let's let him get this shot so everyone can see how good that looks, and it does look good. And what a Mardi Gras creation too, with all the colors in there. That is absolutely perfect. So if you want to make this for yourselves, a couple options. Of course, you can always go to Cafe Acadiana, or you can get the recipe. It's online at fox10tv.com. Tell the folks about Cafe Acadiana, Chef Gerald. Where are you guys located at?
We are in Silver Hill. We have been open for 7.5 years. We're in Silver Hill, right on 104 on the main drag. We're open Tuesday through Saturday. We're closed Sunday and Mondays. We have traditional seafood and lunch specials and Americana with our Cajun twist to it. We also have Cajun specialty dishes that are things like our Boudreaux's burrito, our crab cakes Acadiana. We do our own homemade crab cakes and about 90% crab meat. We do a lot of different cool little stuff. Go to our website at that'sgoodyet.com. That's our full menu. A lot of pictures of what we do, and of course, just give us a call anytime. We'd be glad to have you.
Folks across the Gulf know about y'all, but of course, we're going to call you a hidden treasure because you're in the small community of Silver Hill. But you won a big award a few years back for seafood. What was that?
Well, actually, we won it again this past year.
Did you win it again?
Redbookmag.com, in conjunction with Yelp, they named the best seafood restaurant in every state of the union. In 2020 and 2021, Little old Cafe Katie Inn in Sylvia Hall, Alabama was named the best seafood restaurant in the entire state of Alabama.
Guys, if that's not incentive to try it, what is? That's awesome.
We were also recently voted #1 in Baldwin County, #1 Cajun restaurant in Baldwin County as well by the Gulf Coast News Today, and that's the people's vote.
Well, guys, congrats on all your success. There's That's Good Yeah seasoning. You can try that out. You can get some for yourself. You can pick it up at the restaurant, or you can order online shortly once the website is updated. Guys, this is so good.
I'm glad you
Jeremy,
enjoy it.
great job. Gerald, great job.
Thank you.
Happy Mardi Gras, y'all.
Happy Mardi Gras. Happy Mardi Gras. Y'all all out there. Give this a try at the house. It's a real simple, easy, fun dish.
Thanks so much for coming out.
All right.